Dishy McFlatface Antenna. Dishy McFlatface is the nickname given to the user terminal of Starlink satellite internet service. This antenna is a flat surface. It has a sleek and compact design which can withstand harsh weather conditions, including extreme temperatures, rain, snow, and wind. Dishy McFlatface is equipped with a phased array antenna, which can electronically steer the antenna beam. This technology eliminates the need for mechanical movement to track satellites, making it more reliable and efficient. Dishy McFlatface communicates with Starlink satellites in low Earth orbit and supports internet speeds ranging from 50 megabits per second to 200 megabits per second, with latency as low as 20 to 40 milliseconds. These performance metrics are significantly better than traditional satellite internet services, making them suitable for activities like streaming, gaming, and video conferencing. This user terminal is designed for easy installation and setup. Users simply plug in the antenna, connect it to the included Wi-Fi router, and follow the Starlink app's instructions for activation.